Sugru have kindly given me access to their real test lab. And what we have here is a tensile tester where there's a load cell here which lifts up this lap shear joint, clamped down here, clamped up here, and we measure the load needed for it to break at this point. So I'll zoom in to see the joint itself, and then Elliot will press the magic button. We're at 7 newtons, 16 newtons, 20 newtons, 30 newtons, 50, 60. I've skipped a bit, we're now at 250 newtons, 270 newtons. This is a sample that's had a long time to age and settle in. 300 newtons, you can see it's starting to distort. And there it's broken. Here's exactly that test on their computer screen, starting off with nothing, going up linear, 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 and then suddenly at 350 newtons, snapping. That's how we've measured that the load to break that particular sample is 350 newtons. What we do with that number, we talk about in the book. We now have the same test equipment, the same load cell, etc., but we now have a peel test. It's clamped in here and will split in peel along this line. We happen to have twice the area, but we have the same thickness. So it's in every sense the same material being tested in a very different way. These blobs of red Sugru are just to stop these clamps from bashing against the holders when it all snaps. And now zoom in to the joint itself. So now you can see the black Sugru there, and Elliot's going to press the button again. And there it broke. This is the plot of the peel test. It started off slowly and then increases rapidly for technical reasons. And in this case, although we had twice the area, it actually broke at 300 instead of 350 newtons less. Those numbers are meaningless in general, as we explain in the book. Elliot has kindly pointed out a bonus feature. This is the sample which we just tested, and you can see that it has failed cohesively. So bits of it have failed on the metal, but most of it has failed within the adhesive itself. Here, they happen to have a piece of nylon which was stuck to the metal, and when they tested this, I don't have the other half, the adhesive came off completely on the other half, leaving an adhesive failure on this part. So that's the difference between cohesive and adhesive failure.